Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So we have to start with opening the settings, and then let's scroll to find the display. Let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on the screen timeout option, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got a relatively short options, and at the bottom we've got the option which will allow our device to never black out, so we'll have to do it manually. And in order to change the screen timeout we have to tap on the option we'd like to use. So I'll pick 10 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately marked, and after getting back it is also notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.